The future is big.
We're always pushing the boundaries what currently is available.
It seems like you're aiming for something really big.
I would say this is just the starting point of gravitational wave astronomy.
The field is very exciting and we want to go after the big questions. We're definitely not shying away from the big questions. We're gunning for them.
Curiosity-driven research is what really leads to advance.
The detection and discovery of gravitational waves set up a major new window in the way we can look at the universe.
It's from here on that we can really look to these very big discoveries.
At CGA, we are really invested in training the next generation of instrumentation and data and theorists in the gravitational wave and associated spaces.
And we have a large lab which does research in developing new technologies which we can use and which we then upgrade and integrate into the large gravitational wave detectors.
Things about gravitational wave astronomy is we can train people from across areas, from fundamental physics, fundamental science, technologies, data analysis, instrumentation.
CGA is a joint center between physics and astronomy and astrophysics.
Within the ANU, we are a very broad center that has about 4 campuses on the ANU campus, in Siding Spring, in Mount Stromlo, in Physics North and Physics South.
So students have the choice to explore different aspects in gravitational wave science.
The strength of having the center and so broad is that, of course, when you have a new idea or you come across of a challenge, that you can reach out to the experts around our center to ask and discuss.
The nice thing about working at CGA is that we really do have some cool technology here. So there's a lot of tools in our tool belt that we can bring to play to solve these problems.
Because we're so incorporated with the LIGO collaboration and have been for a couple of decades, we often send our students over to the LIGO detectors.
And we're also an energetic team, so we very regular sending people over to the US to work on those machines and help improve it.
And they learn a lot over there. We have a lot of interconnectivity with groups.
It's definitely a very vibrant center. We have very strong support between all the students. So we go out for monthly coffees, and that's an initiative a few of us have started, so it brings all of us closer as well.
That brings a host of people from different backgrounds together in the one center, which makes it a joy for us to work in this area.
If you're a student here, you'll be working at the cutting edge of research. That's the idea.
It's the fun to do the tinkering and the ideas to build those metrology machines, but then in the end it's the excitement to see that this large science comes out of it in the understanding of, the universe and our little place in it.